Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your speaker not working on Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin! First of all, you simply want to change your volume levels, and luckily you can easily do that by simply clicking either of the volume buttons, just like that. Now you want to make sure that it's pretty high up to actually hear, but not too high to be deaf, basically. But as you could see, we do have a little weird icon, and this brings me to my next point, Bluetooth. It's pretty useful, but when you are connected to it accidentally, it can screw you up. Because whenever you are connected to some sort of headphones, they are the one that's receiving the sound, and your speakers are essentially useless. So if you want to make sure that your speakers are working, you want to simply expand the control center and just disable the Bluetooth to rule out any possible connected devices. And with that, we now should have our sound. However, if our sound isn't hearable, we can always go to the settings. We can scroll down into sounds and into notifications, and inside notifications we want to go into do not disturb. And as you can see now, if you would scroll down, we have an option to actually mute the media sound and alarms while being in the don't disturb mode. I know that many people do not use the don't disturb mode, but if you are, make sure that you don't have these two checked out, otherwise you won't be able to hear any sounds while do not disturb mode is enabled. Unless of course you want this behavior, then you can just leave it on. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.